Hey there, superstars. Happy August. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for August 2020 in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the U.S. and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use their personal right timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. Quite a few of you have asked me to simplify my monthly videos, focus more on the life stuff instead of the technical stuff. So we're going to give that a try for August. I'll tell you the opportunities on the best days and my warnings for the worst days. Remember that these general cycles impact everyone, but your primary influences at any time are your personal cycles, so always check those too. August kicks off with 2 runs of worst days. During these days, clear thinking and error-free performance are likely to be difficult as we will all be more prone to confusion and mistakes. It will also be important to avoid getting drawn into power struggles on these days. Don't let pessimistic imagination run away with you either. Negative thinking never helps the situation. Keep a low profile and pay attention to social cues to avoid a major misstep which could create lasting unpopularity. After these worst days, we have a run of best days and several singleton best days to look forward to. Expect new and innovative ideas to present themselves, along with the energy and initiative to really make things happen. We should enjoy a sense of grace and spiritual connection with the universe, too. There's also a great deal of money in these days if your own cycles are good for finances. Navigate any uncertainty between tradition and change with patience. Friendships can be strengthened, and financial alliances made now could be very profitable. Wise acquaintances can offer exceptional ideas to up the recognition you receive for your work. After this, a pair of worst days follows with the tendency to over-control or become too excessive. Don't let fears and anxieties get the better of you during these days, and absolutely do not make major decisions as your thinking is likely to be too skewed toward the negative. We close August with a pair of best days and 1 more singleton best day. These can be lucky days if your personal cycles agree, and are good days for almost any kind of relationship. This could also be a good time to make strides in your career and for communication in general. Please remember that to really leverage the stars to create love and success in your own life, you have to always factor in your own personal cycles too. There's a great coupon to try one of my instant personal astrology calendars almost free in the link in the text below. If you don't see it, click Show More. To see the actual very best and very worst days for love and for money too in August 2020, click the link in the text below. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. Hang in there. These are very challenging times. Remember that your attitude alone determines your personal experience. And even if there's nothing else you can control, you can always control your attitude. Be well, stay safe, and I wish you all an awesome August.